Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylane. Today we're gonna learn the pronunciation of EU. There are two different pronunciations depending if the sound is close or open. It's one of the pronunciations that's the most confusing. It is actually a video that's been requested in the comment section. So if you have a problem with French, anything, pronunciation, grammar, vocabulary, anything, leave me a comment down below and I will make sure to make a video about it. For this week's video on Monday we saw the part 1 of negation. So there's another video coming on next Monday about it. And on Thursday we are going to see the difference between savoir and connaître. These two videos and all the videos I'm going to talk about today are all going to be in the description box. As usual, you can grab the PDF for this lesson on my website, theperfectfrench.com. It's totally free, you just need to grab it. So first, let's differentiate the two different sounds. Today I included the phonetic on the video. Let me know if you would like me to include it more often. I can definitely do that if you want. So I'm going to say one and the other, and then we're gonna see the difference. For the first one, un ne, ne, ne. And for the close sound, un neuf, un neuf. So if you can hear the difference, this one, un neuf, sound exactly like a E, just a E. Œuf. Un nœud, un neuf. If you don't know how to pronounce it, 90% of the time when I say the open sound, that means that there's nothing at the end. It's open. When the close sound has something at the end. The sound is closed by something. There is some exception. That's why I say 90% of the time, but if you follow this rule, you're most likely to get it right. Un nœud, nothing at the end, even though there's a D, we don't pronounce it. Un nœud, open sound, un neuf. Un neuf. So here we have something at the end. We have the F and we pronounce it. Let's see a second one, and those two are gonna be very close. Un peu, un peu. So there's nothing at the end, the sound is open, so it's E. But if we take a close sound, une peur, une peur, peur, heure, okay? There's a R at the end, so it's a close sound, so it's a E, peur. Let's see a few of the open sound. The first one that we're gonna see is je peux, je peux, I can. It also works for tu peux, il peut, elle peut, on peut. So I, you, he, she, we. The second one, il pleut. Il pleut. It's raining. Pleut. Nothing at the end, open sound. Numéro 3, we saw this one. Un peu. Peu. A little. It sounds actually exactly the same as I can. Je peux. Numéro 4, you know this one. Deux. 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 Means two. Deux. So we don't pronounce the X, so it's an open sound. Numéro 5, un vœu, 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 un vœu, to wish. Numéro 6, we saw this one as well, un nœud, nœud, un nœud. Numéro 7, les cheveux, cheveux, open sound, cheveux. Nothing to do with pronunciation, but the difference between English and French here is that when you talk about hair, it's always pluriel. Always les cheveux. If you say un cheveu, that's one of them. You have one hair on your sleeve, for example, you can say that. Otherwise, it's always pluriel. Numéro 8, le milieu, the middle, milieu, so open sound. Numéro 9, adieu, adieu. It's goodbye but for good. You're never going to see that person again. Adieu. I hope you don't have to use it ever. Numéro 10, another one that you already know. Bleu. It's blue. Bleu. Numéro 11, un jeu. Un jeu. Again. Numéro 12, Le feu. Le feu. Feu. The fire. So that's it for the open sound. So, e. Now we're gonna work on the closed sound, which sound more like a e. Numéro 1, une heure. Une heure. Heure. An hour. Numéro 2, une peur. 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 So ici, it's a closed sound because there's an R at the end. Closed sound. Numéro 3, we saw this one. Un œuf. Un œuf. Un œuf. And here I have to give you the exception. We say un œuf, des œufs. Un œuf, there's only one, des œufs. Numéro 4, neuf. 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 It's either new or 9. Numéro 5, un adjectif, seul. 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 It's alone. Numéro 6, un cœur. Un cœur. Un cœur. It's a hurt. Numéro 7, un tracteur. Un tracteur. Un tracteur. Numéro 8, une fleur. Une fleur. Une fleur. A flower. So you see that all the one with a closed sound always have something at the end. Une fleur. Numéro 9, un docteur. Un docteur. Un docteur. Closed sound. Numéro 10, un ordinateur. Un ordinateur. Teur. A computer. Numéro 11, une sœur. Une sœur. Une sœur. A sister. Numéro 12, un meuble. Un meuble. Un meuble. Let's review quickly what we saw at the beginning to make sure that you understand better. So we have open sound, closed sound. Un nœud, nœud. Un œuf, œuf, œuf. Un nœud, un œuf, œuf. Un peu, une peur. Peu, peur. Peu, peur. And the little trick that I give all the time to my students to remember, I just said to remember sister. Sister. So, sister is sœur. Sœur. It's the closed sound. So, and sister pronounce exactly the same way. If it's not a closed sound, it's gonna be the other one, the e. Hope that will help you as well. I hope you enjoy, I hope you learned something. Don't hesitate to leave me a comment if you have a question about French, about anything. I will do my best to help you. If you have a trick that helps you to remember something in French, share it in the comment as well for other students. When something works for you, it's always better to share. You can connect with me on my Instagram, my Facebook page, and this YouTube channel. I try to answer every comment and every message I get. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, it really helped me. And I will see you soon for another lesson.